Keep walking. Camera.
She's good. Just us three right here.
Me gusta guacamole.
¿Te gusta guacamole?
Go in and out. Go one more. That was a better one.
Good, baby.
That was good.
I'm like, dig out my face. I don't know why I was like pulling my face back.
This right here is what you call perfection.
Oh, thank you.
Along with my wife. But this right here is called perfection. This year, Green Bay is going to. Oh my God! No.
Turn it towards the camera.
Is going to do some fine juju on my team.
It sucks the Packers are still not going to be good, but it's a nice goal.
I think you're kind of wrong on that, but I think they're going to be very good this year. This goal is, this dude killed it on this one. He killed it.
I'm making my birthday now.
So we have what? Just straight, drink you first. Wow. Boom, boom, boom. You're good at that.
But don't think because I'm your mama. Hello. We're at the Dreams Resort. We are here to make all of your dreams come true. Vacay is going amazing. Love it. Best resort ever.
Go, Corey. Let's go, Corey. Drop it in there.
I love it. Mexico, beautiful. Let's go.
This is the dirty monkey. This is your dance. For your drink. You got to
These guys are
sit
not
on
gonna
your
shake
drink.
hands up.
That was so funny.
I'll crop it out if your nipple pops out. How has the vacation been so far?
Absolutely amazing.
Great.
What's your favorite part so far?
The waterfall.
The waterfall, absolutely.
Yeah.
They're gay. I don't know why I interviewed them.
I don't like it.
I wish I knew how to do the dance.
Babe, how you living? You too. How you two gays living?
I missed it, babe.
Doesn't get any better. Living great. into this and they are the ones that are leaving. What is going on here?
No gracias.
Walk in
property has been in the family for over 100 years.
Wow.
And it's been everything from a farm to abandoned land. It was a restaurant in the 19th. There's a lot of places for This used to be the movie theater for kids when this was a restaurant. So let's see what we got over there. The product is called blanco, that is clear. So it's just a berry that grows in that tree, and we turn it into fruit wine.
What is the berry?
Well, it's called uva, but right now it's just decoration, I guess.